Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Crema Para Las Arrugas is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those looking to combat the signs of aging. As we age, wrinkles become a natural part of the process, but with so many products on the market, it can be challenging to find one that truly delivers on its promises and helps maintain a youthful, radiant complexion. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Moisturizer. This is the new Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer from Neutrogena. It's designed to help you fight the signs of aging and achieve healthier-looking skin. This product is a great addition to your daily skincare routine. The moisturizer contains retinol and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to hydrate your skin and target fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It's a powerful combination for anti-aging. This cream addresses 5 key signs of aging: fine lines, dullness, dark spots, wrinkles, and loss of firmness. You can expect to see visible improvements in just 1 week. It is suitable for all skin tones. Clinical studies show that this cream instantly hydrates for smoother skin. It reduces the appearance of dark spots in a week and diminishes deep wrinkles within 4 weeks. You will love the results. The formula includes a soothing complex to minimize irritation. It's dermatologist tested and free of parabens, mineral oil, and dyes. You can use it daily as part of your self-care routine. What we like. This cream combines retinol and hyaluronic acid, a powerful duo for fighting wrinkles and hydrating skin. It's been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark spots in just weeks. If you are looking for a daily moisturizer that tackles multiple aging concerns while being gentle on your skin, you should consider this one. What people say. The cream has a very nice lightweight texture. I have been using this cream now for a couple of months and have definitely noticed a reduction in fine lines around my eyes. Deeper lines have softened somewhat. Number 4. VELAMO Advanced Retinol Face Stick. Introducing the VELAMO Advanced Retinol Face Stick, a multi-treatment balm designed to transform your skin. This innovative product works to smooth, brighten, and tighten, offering a comprehensive anti-aging solution. It visibly boosts bounce and moisture levels, making it gentle and safe for all skin types. Experience visible results in just 4 to 6 weeks with the VELAMO Advanced Retinol Face Stick. It helps make your skin smoother, firmer, and brighter, reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture. The stick combines the power of retinol with other age-defying ingredients, helping you say goodbye to those imperfections. The VELAMO Advanced Retinol Face Stick is the perfect skincare solution for busy individuals. Simply swipe the stick over your face, and you're done. The stick form allows for even and precise application, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. Use it as the last step in your evening routine or for a quick touch-up during the day. This retinol face stick is made with natural, plant-based ingredients that are gentle on your skin and the planet. It features retinol, along with jojoba oil, palm oil, squalane, and astaxanthin. This product is cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, so you can use it with confidence. VELAMO takes pride in curating luxury beauty and skincare products, and this retinol face stick is no exception. They care about their customers and stand by every product. Contact them anytime if you need help. Their customer service team is dedicated to resolving any issues. What we like. This retinol face stick offers a unique and convenient application method. The stick form allows for precise and even application, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. If you like a simple, effective, and travel-friendly solution for reducing wrinkles and uneven texture, you should consider this. What people say. It feels incredibly hydrating and super easy to apply. It delivers on its promises, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines, providing a subtle lifting effect, and diminishing under-eye bags. Its portable design is another plus. I like to keep one at home and another in my purse for quick, on-the-go touch-ups. Number 3. Brickell Men's Anti-Aging Cream. Are you looking for a way to reduce wrinkles and fine lines? This anti-aging cream is designed specifically for men. It helps diminish the signs of aging, leaving your skin looking younger and healthier. This cream is suitable for men of any age and skin type, especially those with dry or sensitive skin. It's unscented, so it won't irritate your skin. It's a great addition to any skincare routine. The cream uses a unique blend of natural and organic ingredients. These ingredients work together to firm, smooth, and tighten your skin. You'll notice a difference in how you look and feel. Key ingredients include aloe, DMAE, MSM, hyaluronic acid, and green tea. These ingredients are known for their anti-aging properties. They help to hydrate and rejuvenate the skin. Brickell has been a trusted name in men's skincare since 2014. The products are sold in over 100 countries. If you're not satisfied, they offer a refund. What we like. This anti-aging cream is specifically formulated for men, using natural and organic ingredients. It's unscented, making it ideal for those with sensitivities. If you are a man looking for a simple, effective, and natural anti-aging solution, you should consider this. What people say. In both areas, the product delivered with visible tightening of the skin, diminishing the lines, and giving my skin a healthy glow. My skin feels smooth and looks and feels healthy. It keeps my skin hydrated and it's not greasy, which is a huge plus for me. It goes on smooth and soaks right in. I've noticed those little lines around my eyes aren't as noticeable anymore, and my skin just looks healthier overall. Number 2. Retinol Cream with Hyaluronic Acid, Anti-Aging Moisturizer. This cream is designed for both day and night use. It nourishes the skin and helps to reduce the signs of aging. Use it consistently for a fresh and youthful appearance. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy feeling. This moisturizer helps to smooth the skin and encourages skin renewal. It provides hydration without any heavy residue. With 1% retinol, this cream supports firming and tightening the skin. It helps to minimize imperfections and promotes a radiant complexion. You'll notice a visible improvement over time. This collagen face cream is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Hyaluronic acid provides soothing hydration, while the retinol refreshes your skin. It's a versatile solution for everyone. We created this firming cream to enhance your skin's radiance. Regular use of this moisturizer will help maintain and promote skin vitality. Incorporate it into your daily routine for best results. What we like. This cream is designed for both day and night use, providing continuous care for your skin. Its lightweight and non-greasy texture makes it comfortable for all skin types. If you have a busy lifestyle and need a versatile cream that fits seamlessly into your routine, you should consider this. What people say. The texture is smooth and lightweight, making it easy to apply without feeling greasy or heavy. It absorbs quickly into the skin and doesn't leave any residue, which I appreciate. My skin was instantly moisturized and didn't feel greasy or heavy. Makes my face so soft and I'm seeing less lines. Number 1. Cicatricure Anti-Wrinkle Face and Neck Cream. This anti-wrinkle cream is designed to enhance skin elasticity and improve skin tone. It's formulated with vitamin E and retinol, which help to smooth and brighten your skin, providing up to 24 hours of hydration. Cicatricure's anti-wrinkle cream contains Q-acetyl-10, which helps to reduce the appearance of deep wrinkles and expression lines from the first use. Apply it to your face and neck twice daily, in the morning and at night. This anti-aging retinol cream helps to diminish the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It also hydrates, smooths, and brightens dull skin. It's the perfect addition to your daily anti-aging skincare routine. We offer a full line of skincare products to care for your skin and body. This includes anti-wrinkle day and night creams, brightening creams, micellar water cleansers, sunscreens, and scar gels. We want the best for your skin at every age and stage of your life. That's why we're always innovating to create the best skincare formulas with exclusive ingredients and leading beauty technologies. With consistent use, this product will help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and expression lines. It's a simple step to a more youthful and radiant complexion. What we like. This cream offers a 3-in-1 formula, addressing multiple signs of aging with retinol, vitamin E, and Q-acetyl-10. It hydrates and brightens the skin, improving its elasticity. If you like a comprehensive anti-aging solution that delivers multiple benefits in one product, you should consider this. What people say. After just a few days of using a very small amount 2 times a day, I've stopped peeling and I can hold my head up. The aroma is tenulo cool como hombre agradezco mucho. Las líneas de expresión se me atenuaron ligeramente, es decir, las sigo teniendo pero ya no se ven tan pronunciadas como estaban, aunque es probable que la gente que me conoce no note el cambio. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.